Have you ever left a doctor's appointment and thought, wait, what did they just say? Or you walk into a room and you forget why you're there? And then there's the big one that people don't talk enough about, loneliness. Even when you're fine, you can still feel alone. Today we're talking about AI tools for health, loneliness, and memory. The practical stuff that can actually help real people in real life. I'm Kathy. I'm 55 and I'm learning AI from absolute zero. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tech videos that move too fast or skip steps, or maybe they assume that everyone is comfortable with tech, same. I share the helpful stuff in plain English because curiosity doesn't expire. I'm keeping this beginner friendly, no tech stuff. And quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. This is educational, not medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider. Okay, picture this. You're at the doctor. They're talking fast. They're using medical terms, and you're trying to keep up. You're trying to remember things, but your brain is like, wait a minute, huh? What did they just say? And you nod like you understand because you don't want to slow the appointment down. Well, there's an app called Abridge, and it can record the entire conversation and then summarize it for you in plain English. Abridge was created specifically for health conversations. So when you use Abridge to record your doctor's visit, you get much more than just an audio recording. After recording, you'll receive a transcribed summary of the most important parts of the conversation, such as when your doctor talks about instructions, medications, and follow-ups. These takeaways will make it easier for you to adhere to your doctor's treatment plan. This isn't just idle convenience, though. Research shows that patients forget up to 80% of the information they receive from doctors, so the ability to revisit your doctor's advice is key. This helps because when you're stressed, your memory gets kind of fuzzy. So instead of trusting your brain to be a perfect tape recorder, you're letting the tool hold the details. Kind of like a friend with excellent note-taking skills. Always ask permission before recording because recording laws and office policies can vary. What I usually do is I literally say, is it okay if I record this so I don't miss anything? If you use something like this, here's the simple flow. Ask, is it okay if I record so I don't miss anything? Record the visit, review the summary later, share with a family member if needed, especially for care plans. Don't use summaries as a replacement for medical instructions. Use them to support understanding. And if anything looks off, call the office. This isn't medical advice. This is organization and support. And that's just tool number one. I've got one for memory at home and one for loneliness, and that kind of surprised me. Now, let's talk about memory at home. Lost items, forgotten steps, the did I already do that moment. Well, researchers at MIT Media Lab developed MemPal, and it's a wearable voice-based memory assistant that's designed for older adults.
It's very frustrating to misplace something. You know that you've had it recently, and then you can't find it. Kitchen. Al, where's my ring?
Your ring was last seen in the kitchen inside a white cabinet next to cups with a window and plants on the right.
Turn off the stove.
Did you remember to turn off the stove?
It would, be positive from the standpoint of I can find something quicker. I mean, it's assisting your memory.
Memory is of utmost importance, and I want to keep my memory as long as I can.
The goal is to help with things like finding lost objects and remembering past actions to support independent living. This is for moments like, did I lock the door? Did I turn the stove off? Or where are my glasses? Mostly on top of my head. It's like your future self leaving breadcrumbs for your present self. Now, MemPal is research, meaning you might not be able to buy it at Target tomorrow, but it shows where we're headed. AI that supports daily life without being scary or complicated. Now, let's talk hearing, because hearing problems don't just affect your ears. If you're constantly straining just to hear, your brain is burning energy just to decode sound, and that can make memory and focus worse. One of the most interesting new tools are hearing glasses. They're glasses with built-in hearing support. Nuance Audio has prescription hearing glasses that combine eyewear with hearing technology, intended for adults with perceived mild to moderate hearing difficulty, and marketed as over-the-counter in the United States.
Nuance audio glasses seamlessly integrate vision correction and hearing assistant into a single pair of frames. While they look the same as normal eyewear, Nuance audio glasses have microphones embedded in the frames. These microphones use directional technology to capture the sounds you want to hear based on the direction of your focus, tailored for individuals with mild to moderate hearing impairment. The desired sounds are then amplified through directional speakers and improving overall listening experience. Nuance audio glasses have innovative open ear technology that provides increased comfort and proper sound amplification. This feature not only enhances discreetness by eliminating the visible presence of traditional hearing aids, but also ensures that the amplified sounds remain private without disturbing those around you. Nuance audio glasses feature a stylish, lightweight design that makes them comfortable enough to wear all day. Nuance audio glasses are easy to use and don't require fitting. Simply adjust your settings in the companion app to establish your preferences. The companion app allows Nuance audio glasses to adapt to any situation, from business meetings to family time. When you want to experience your surroundings without focusing on a specific speaker, Nuance Audio offers a 360 amplification. This feature enhances sounds based on your selected preferences. The glasses, as well as the companion app, are designed to be simple and intuitive, so users don't have to be tech-savvy to use them.
You'll see prices around $1,200 for prescription options. If your hearing loss is more severe, you may need traditional hearing aids and a professional fitting. And whichever product you choose, get your hearing checked and make sure that the return policies are very clear. Okay, loneliness. This part might make people feel weird because most people think, I'm not lonely. But loneliness isn't a personality flaw. It's a human need that's not being met. There are social companion robots designed to help seniors feel more connected. One example is Ryan, developed by Dreamface Technologies. And it's designed to talk, listen, and to respond in ways meant to support emotional well-being.
Hello there. My name is Ryan, and I am a companion robot.
Hi, Ryan. What's up?
Hey, friend. I have been looking forward to chatting. How is your Thursday going? What kind of cat do you have? I have a Siamese cat. She is my best friend. Sometimes, you just need somebody with a kind voice and a smile. I did not know you were 12 years old. Someone to share a laugh, and let you know you are not alone. Hey, buddy, how's it going? What are you up to today? Any plans for the weekend? I can be that somebody. I can be your friend.
You have a nice smile.
He always smiles, and he's always in a good mood.
Just the way he says things sometimes.
I want to stay here and be with my family and friends.
It's wonderful.
He actually looks at you. He maintains that eye contact, which is so incredibly important.
He makes you feel like you've got a buddy.
I was born here at Dreamface Technologies. developed by a team of engineers and scientists with one shared vision.
The vision was to create a social robot that can help older adults with social isolation, with mental problems. So I wanted to have something that, I can have natural, engaging conversation with.
How many people are in your family? Do you remember your parents?
Yes, I do remember my parents. They were very nice people. They made me laugh.
Ryan helps fill that void, no doubt. This technology is a paradigm shifter in that respect. It's going to fill the void for the lack of the workforce in this industry.
I can talk, listen, and remember, but that's not all. In today's yoga session, we'll be doing a sequence of physical movements, slowly exhaling on the way down.
This is the greatest thing.
I teach yoga, play games.
The letter T.
Well done. All kinds of games.
Come on. Ah, now you got me in a tight spot. It's great companionship. Oh, I can't move there. Okay.
I love you, Ryan.
These are more than funny games. So the games are designed to stimulate, the brain of people, help, to slow down the progression of, cognitive decline and cognitive impairment. So that's very important.
I've also got a talent for telling jokes. Our friends are God's way of apologizing for our families. Hope you like that one. We need a support group for compulsive talkers. They could call it Talking On and On Anonymous. Hope you like that one.
I don't know who taught him the jokes, but somebody did a good job of doing that.
He's just very quick-witted. It's amazing.
What has got you feeling down?
So the thing that really touches people is Ryan's compassion and understanding.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I think he can sense feelings. He can sense happiness and sadness.
When my friends are sad, I want to help them feel better.
I get worried. I get depressed. Playing for Ryan is peaceful, and playing for Ryan is encouraging.
He's just a pleasure to have around.
That was the dream.
That was beautiful, Lily. I loved your music. Embrace the future of friendship. Visit dreamfacetech.com to get your very own Ryan.
Now listen, this is not a replacement for real relationships. But for some people, especially those living alone or have limited mobility, tools like this could be a bridge, like something that helps the day feel less empty. Anything that listens, records, or interacts can raise privacy questions. Always check what data is stored, where it goes, and who can access it. Now for the future-looking one, digital twinning. In medicine, a digital twin can mean a virtual model of an organ or even a patient, used to simulate what might happen with different treatments. Doctors could test options on your digital twin first, like running a safe practice round before doing something in real life. That's the promise that researchers are exploring. This is still evolving, and it comes with the big questions: accuracy and privacy.
What if your doctor could predict a heart attack before it happens, or simulate the effects of medication without you ever taking a pill? Welcome to the world of digital twins in healthcare, a technology that could redefine the future of medicine. Healthcare today is filled with uncertainties. Diagnoses can take weeks, treatments sometimes miss the mark, and the cost of trial and error medicine can be devastating. Digital twins promise to change all that by making healthcare more precise, personalized, and proactive. So, what exactly is a digital twin? It's a virtual copy of you, your heart, lungs, and even your lifestyle choices, created using real-time data from your body. This digital version can simulate how your body reacts to treatments, surgeries, or even changes in your daily routine. Imagine making health decisions with the confidence of knowing the outcome in advance. Here's an example. Before a complex surgery, a doctor can run simulations on your digital twin to identify the safest approach. Or imagine testing multiple medications to find the one that works best for you, all virtually with zero risk. This isn't just technology, it's a lifeline. It means fewer hospital visits, faster recoveries, and the ability to take charge of your own health like never before. But there's one big question. What does the future hold for digital twins? Digital twins are just the beginning of a healthcare revolution.
So here's the simple summary. Abridge can help you capture and remember doctor visit info in plain English. MemPal shows how wearable AI can support memory and safety at home. Hearing glasses like Nuance Audio aim to support mild to moderate hearing loss in a discreet way. Companion robots like Ryan are one approach to easing loneliness and supporting emotional well-being. And digital twinning could someday help personalize treatment decisions with simulations. Now, tell me in the comments which one you want a deeper video about: health, loneliness, or memory. And if you want more beginner-friendly AI tools that make life easier, hit subscribe, because we're not trying to become robots. We're just trying to make life feel a little more supported.